Hello, in this video I'll show you how to edit your Pinterest profile. First, we are going to click the three dots in the top right corner of your screen. This is where your settings are, and click Settings. Here you can see the profile. It's very bare bones because it's a brand new Pinterest account for Grow with Lady. If you want to see one that's a little bit more full, see my Lady Mora Pinterest account because it's already established and I've been pinning to it for a while. So first, your display name, Grow with Lady. What this part changes is when a viewer goes to your Pinterest profile, what do they see? Let's view my profile. So you can see here, it says Grow with Lady. So that's what that part changes. So I want mine to say Grow with Lady. The Pinterest username, I do have a video on that explaining what that's all about, so make sure to check it out. I will put the link in the description, or it'll be in the top right corner of your screen in a card. And here, about your profile. So write a little bit about your business here. I put, get the behind the scenes look at growing a travel blog and handmade business. We're going to grow together. So you can get a free training at ladymora.com/biz. I am not going to put a location because my business isn't really location based, although I am in Alaska. So featured boards, we will have a video on featured boards tomorrow. So make sure to like and subscribe so that you catch that video for how to do featured boards. Okay, so we edited our profile as far as the text goes, and let's change the profile photo. So here you want to click change, choose photo, where my profile photo is. And there we go. So that's the photo you've been seeing all throughout my Pinterest tutorials. We're done with that portion. Click done. Next, let's go to account settings. Here is the basic information about your Pinterest account. As far as your email address, if you want to change your password, you would do it here. Where you are, country, the language you speak, your contact name here. So my name is Lady Mora, so that's what I put there. Gender, business type, we set that up in our switching to a business account on Pinterest. If you ever want to convert back to a personal account, you can do so here at the very bottom. Next is to claim. So this is to claim your website or your social media. I do have a video on claiming other social accounts, so watch that video to get more of an in-depth tutorial about that. Notifications, I also went through a video on this. Watch that video. I go into way more detail in that video as well. Next is the privacy and data. If you are here to get more viewers on Pinterest, your search privacy, you don't want to hide your profile from search engines like Google because Google is going to be a huge part. I know when I've searched different DIY or different crafts that I want to do, Pinterest will show up. So we want to make sure that we're also found on Google for our Pinterest account. Next is security. Here you can set up a two-factor authentication. This is great if you want to make sure your account is extra secure, and it will require 2 steps when you log into your profile and apps. Okay, so I switched to another account to see what apps I do have connected to my Lady Mora Pinterest account. And here I have Etsy and Tailwind. If you wanted to revoke access to any of the apps, you can do so here. I've created a playlist just for setting up your Pinterest profile, so make sure to check it out over here. And if you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss any of the awesome tutorials that I have for you. I am so excited for you to really start digging into Pinterest and making it work for you. So go ahead and click that video. It'll also be in the description box below so that you can get set up on your Pinterest profile.